real scrapbook that will help take our projects from someday to today.
We're your typical odd couple with too many old cars and new projects.
Between the two of us,
It's always something.
Today we're looking at the 71 Glastron. We're going to be putting in a new roof vent. This one's got a little fan in it, so you know, that's nice. We got this at Outdoor World?
Camper World.
Camper World, yeah. So we have a pretty good local RV camper place here that we can get supplies from. But I just wanted to show you the dash. This is my favorite part of this thing, the steering wheel. The steering wheel's white because it's supposed to keep you from burning your hands on it when it's hot. You know, it doesn't get that hot. And then, but look at the old 8-track. This, the AC unit is so cool. Little Glastron logo. I just think it's neat. I like the gauges and stuff. And the shifter over there, way over there. I like that. But we're gonna get this little vent on today. We have a battery. That's a good sign. All right, let's see if we can get it to crank over. Welcome aboard.
What's left after our partial demolition of the floor? Yeah.
Gas to get it done. Started for over a year.
Right?
I haven't ran it since we brought it back here. Hard to come up here with your hands full. sure it fits. They're all the same size, 14 inches.
Really?
From what I've learned, yeah. This one's nice, it's aerodynamic.
The other one might have been before it's cracked, yeah.
Yeah, they're the same.
Yeah, that's
This has a fan. Look at
nice.
this.
All right. It does look nice.
This does fit the new one.
Here we are. So a lot of work has been done with the Glastron, and we didn't recognize, I think, how much work the Glastron was going to be. But then once you got in there and got creative with it and started really having your ideas, then we realized how much work it was going to be.
Yeah, it's gonna be a ton of work, but it's a big machine, so we knew it was gonna be a lot of work.
That's true, and then we got to started lifting up the floors, and then we started to get a little overwhelmed, if I'm honest. And then we were really worried. I was worried that we were going to just have like a floor demolition video for you, and that's not necessarily what we wanted.
No, we want to be able to add something.
To be productive, yeah, exactly. You want to do one positive step forward with every single project. That's our goal in starting this. That's kind of why we did it in this format, to sort of keep us accountable to someone besides each other who, you know, we let each other get away with it quite a bit.
Run this ship around here.
And so, doing it in this format, we can at least do one positive thing every single video. No matter what gets taken down, taken out, destroyed, we can at least do one positive thing. And so I'm glad we did. And for us this time, that positive thing ended up being that ceiling vent, because it was the cheapest thing we could do. And then it ended up being really good for us because
yeah, we needed to protect the new floor once we put the new floor in.
Exactly.
And whatever else new goes in.
Yeah, that other one was cracked. It would have leaked all over everything. So it ended up being a really good thing that happened. But with the Glastron, that actually completes with all but one, our catalog of cars. And so you're going to start seeing other at-home projects from us as well as our cars. We're going to cycle back through them, and again, each and every time add something new. So if you want to follow along with us, feel free to subscribe, share our videos with your friends, leave a comment if you're feeling friendly, give us a like, and
don't forget to click that bell.
we'll see you next time. Thanks, y'all.